Hello. Yeah, I was struggling to find commands for or how to do a video recording from laptop. So eventually, I found some steps in the Google. Just want to create a YouTube video, short YouTube video for others to help. If they have got struggle, just they can go to YouTube and find the video easily. So yeah, come to the topic. Yeah, if you want to do a video recording um, from the laptop, a laptop screen recording with a video recording, you just need to press few commands. That is Windows Shift and R. Yeah, that brings one small taskbar where and it will bring a plus cursor. So that with that you need to select the screen, how much you want to show on the video recording or laptop recording, screen recording. And once you select it, then you need to press on start, then it will count 3 2 1 and then boom. Yeah, so what is you showing on the video that gets records here on the laptop? So if I try to open Google, yeah, you can able to see Google, I guess. And then when you're done with your recording, you can press on stop. Yeah, this will stop and then that will open for you to preview. And yeah, so if you can see whatever I opened, it's showing here. It's recorded very well. And then what I'll do, if you want to edit anything that is unnecessary, you can click on the edit clip champ. And then, yeah, so from here, what you'll do is you'll play this video. Yeah, you can do whatever you want. You can add and remove whatever unnecessary part. And that's it, guys. Thank you. Thank you for the bye.